Start by setting the brake so the stroller stays steady. Press the handlebar adjustment lever and lower the handlebar all the way down. Push the canopy all the way back so it's out of the way. Before folding, the seat needs to be lined up with the frame. If the seat is forward-facing, lift the recline lever and line the seat up with the frame. If the seat is parent-facing, lift the recline lever and pull the seat towards you until it lines up with the frame. Lift up on the footrest to access the fold lever underneath the seat. Under the center crossbar, squeeze the button, rotate it down, then lift up to release the fold. Keep lifting until the stroller folds down and stands on its own. To unfold, grab the center handle and lift the stroller back up by the handlebar. Push the footrest back down to fully open and lock the frame. Raise the handlebar, adjust the seat and bumper bar, and bring the canopy back to your preferred position. You're ready to stroll.